Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also pretty well. Today, I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the student of class 9. Today's topic is Unit 8, Lesson on Discussions. Dear students, before going to the text, we will know about some important word meaning. Okay, first one is heritage, meaning the history that a country has had for many years. Synonym: traditions. Inherit, to receive property or money from somebody when they die. Generation, all of the people born and living at about the same time. Unique, unusual or special in some way. Synonym: uncommon or extraordinary. Inspiration, the process of being mentally stimulated to feel something, or influence. Originally, from or in the beginning or initially. Outskirts, the outer part of a town or city. Dense, thick or heavy. Reservoirs, allures, natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply. Habitable, good enough to live in. Multi-domes, having many domes. Aisle, a long narrow space. Arch, a curved structures that support the weight of something above it, like a bridge. Dear students, before going to the text, we have to know this meaning of the word. And this text is actually we have to know the grammatical points like parts of speech, sentence, voice, etc. whenever we go through the text. The topic is lesson 1 from Unit 8, the Shard Gambuz Mosque. Dear students, before going to the text, that means there is a pictures. That means you can easily say what is the topic or what is the text going on. Now, heritage is what we inherit from the past, live with in the present, and then pass on to our children or future generation. In this line, heritage means this is actually a history that a country or a society has had for many years. Is what we inherit from the past, live with in the present, and then pass on to our children or future generations. In this sentence, there is what? That means this is pronoun, relative pronoun. This what? This, that means what is making, that means is joining two sentences. And next sentence, our unique source of life and inspirations is our culture and natural heritage. That means our unique source of our life and inspirations is our culture and natural heritage. Here, our unique source of life and, dear students, this is conjunction, and the function of and is to make or is to join two words. When we go through this text, we have to know about these grammatical points. When we speak about all heritage, it indicates places. That means World Heritage indicates some places, some important places or sites that we inherited from the past. That means we get from the past and pass on to the future generation. Here is a group verb. That means pass on. This pass on means this is group verb. Pass on means to keep something for somebody or future generation. To keep something for future generation of the entire world. Okay, entire means the whole. Second para. The Shat Gumbuz Mosque in Bagirhat is such a heritage. Dear students, this first para is talking about world heritage. In the second para, we are getting, that means our world heritage, that is Shat Gumbuz Mosque in Bagirhat. Okay, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. That means this Shat Gumbuz Mosque became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. And in this line, you have to know about UNESCO, what is the meaning and what is it and what is the function of UNESCO. Dear students, you know that UNESCO, that means it is an organization. This organization is related to the world nation, that means UN nation, United Nations. That means the meaning, that means United Nations Educational, E for educational, S for scientific, C for cultural, O for organizations. That means this organization UNESCO, that means has declared the World Heritage Site. Okay, next para. Originally, that means initially the historic mosque city was known as Khalifatabad. That means this is a very important word, Khalifatabad. There is students, that means Bagirhat was known as Khalifatabad, like Dhaka was known as Jahangirnagar. Okay, it is situated at the outskirts of Bagirhat town, not very far from the dense of mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Khalifatabad was a Muslim colony, that means this before it was a Muslim colony. It is founded by the Turkish general, a saint warrior Ulugh Khan Jahan in the 15th century. In this line, a passive voice, that means there is a passive voice by, okay? It is founded by. The infrastructures of the city reveals means to express something or to disclose something. The infrastructures of the city reveals significant technical skills in many mosques as well as early Islamic monuments. Baked bricks were used for the constructions of the buildings. Planning of the city was dominated by the traditions of Islamic structures. That means the planning of this city was dominated or influenced by the traditions of Islamic architectures, and the decorations were a combinations of Mughal and Turkish architectures. That means this is the descriptions, okay, of the city. Khan Jahan built a network of roads. Khan Jahan built, that means this is the contributions of Khan Jahan, a network of roads, bridges and public buildings and reservoirs to make the city habitable. Habitable means to good enough to live in. Okay, there are about 360 mosques in the city. Among them, the most remarkable is the multi-domed Shat Gumbuz Mosque. Okay, this is the characteristic, multi-domed. The mosque is unique in the sense that it has 60 pillars that support the roof with 77 low-height domes, and 4 towers at 4 corners have smaller domes at the top as well. Okay. Dear students, this is the descriptions of the Shat Gambuz Mosque. The vast prayer hall has 11 arched doorways on the east and 7 east on the north and south for light and ventilations. It has 7 aisles running along the length of the mosque and 11 deep curves between the slender stone columns. These columns support the carving arches created by the domes. The thickness of the arches is 6 feet and have slightly narrowing hollow and round well. Okay, this is the descriptions of the mosque and how the mosque was built. Infrastructural descriptions. The west wall in the interior has 11 mihrabs. Okay, and these mihrabs are decorated with stonework and terracotta. The floor of the mosque is made of brick. Okay, another descriptions of the mosque. Besides being used as a prayer hall, dear students, here beside being used as a prayer hall, Khan Jahan used the mosque as his court too. That means Khan Jahan Ali used this mosque as his personal court. Today, it is one of the greatest tourist attractions, one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. Okay, today that means this Shat Gambuz Mosque is one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. Okay, Shat Gambuz Mosque, that means there is some points and informations founded by Ulugh Khan Jahan when in the 15th century. Number of domes 77 domes, number of pillars 60 pillars, arches 25 arches, thickness of the arches that means 6 feet, mihrabs 11 mihrabs. This is for today. Thank you, my dear students. You will practice more and more from these lessons. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.